This video is how to make your own gratitude jar, part of the University of Maryland School of Public Health Happiness and Wellness Initiative. This PowerPoint and presentation was created by Brielle Merchant. So let's talk about the health and wellness benefits. Some health and wellness benefits of expressing gratitude include, but are not limited to, building resiliency, lowering feelings of anxiety or depression, reducing stress, and increasing feelings of happiness. We encourage you to get creative, but here's a supply list that we've put together to get you started. Step 1 is to start with a clean jar, one that preferably has a lid to it. Here are some jars that we've selected. The first one's a mason jar, but the second one is one that used to be a jar for applesauce. This is a candle. You can clean the candle out and then use it, especially if it comes with a top. These work well because they can double as decor. Here's one that's already been cleaned and the label's been removed. Step 2 is to use free printables, palms, and other items to label and decorate your jar. Get creative. Here we're using some tape to just place a label onto our mason jar. I didn't like how clear it was, so I decided to also stuff it with some white tissue paper to kind of fill it in. You can also use colored tissue paper for extra fun. Here are some more examples. So step 3 is to create your gratitude cards. You can either draw them, like create a pretty design on them, write them out yourselves, or find some online for free to print out. I decided to write my own. To save time, I pre-cut the strips of paper, and if you want to get extra creative, you can also decorate each strip. So if you haven't started making your gratitude jar while watching this video, now is a great time to pause the video and begin. You can always go back and rewind. Thank you for watching this how-to tutorial. Please check out our other features, including the well terp and some good news. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and subscribe.